We'll meet again, don't know where, don't know when. Oh, I know we'll meet again some sunny day. The times that we shared, all this time I never cared. Oh, I know we'll meet again some sunny day. Oh, you can run and you can hide, I'll find you and you'll soon be mine. You can hope and you can pray, but there is nothing you can say. We'll meet again, don't know where, don't know when. Oh, I know we'll meet again some sunny day.
People say I try too hard. People say I come off really awkward. You know I don't mean no harm. I'm just trying to be myself, but sometimes I get confused, cause I can't read social cues. Through my inhibitions out the door. I don't have an excuse, I'm just living in my youth. Don't know why people don't like me more. I have no friends, but that's okay. I don't need them anyway. I do my best all on my own, and I'd just rather be alone, rather be alone. Hey brother, what do? I fell off my bike, now I'm cut and bruised. It stings like hell and it hurts to move. So hey brother, what do? He said, bite your tongue now and hold your breath. Close your eyes now and count to 10. Cause boys don't cry and you won't too. Only tough guys make it through. So what do I do now when I feel real bad? I hold it in till I get real mad. I start a fight with my closest friends. Broken noses and promises.
The secret side of me, I never let you see. I keep it caged, but I can't control it. So stay away from me, the beast is ugly. I feel the rage and I just can't hold it. It's scratching on the walls, in the closet, in the halls. It comes awake and I can't control it. Hiding under the bed, in my body, in my head. Why won't somebody come and save me from this? Make it end. I feel it deep within, it's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster.
There was the middle of class and the teacher wasn't looking. Kelly had a fat ass and trouble was cooking. She had a boy wrapped around her finger tight. I fell in love with him, but he wasn't in my life. The teacher gave me notes to go out and give Kelly. She was kissing Brandon, I got jelly. I wanted to be in her shoes for one day. I just waited till recess to make her pay.
I've lost my cool, I'm not sure how to act. Not even sure how I can keep my pride intact. Well, I don't know if this is it, but can't you see? No, I'm not falling for you, so please have mercy on me. Cause it's not romantic, I swear. I'm not gasping for air. I want you to be here, but please don't come near.
I'm an angel, tell me what you mean by that. I take it all and I will never give it back. I don't feel sorry every time I see you cry. Every time you start, I'm waiting for your tears to dry. I don't really care and I never will. That's the way I am, such a bitter pill. I don't really care how my silence kills. That's the way I am. No, I wasn't born without a heart. I wasn't always like that.
Straight hair, straight A's, straightforward, straight past. I don't cut corners, I make a point to be on time. Head out the studio. student council. I don't black out at parties. I jam to Paul McCartney. If you ask me how I'm doing, I'll say, well, I was adopted when I was 2. My parents spoiled me rotten often. I ask myself, what did I do to get as far as I've gotten? A pretty girl walks by my locker. My heart gives a flutter, but I don't dare utter a word, 'cause that would be absurd behavior for Little Miss Perfect.
So I never really knew you. God, I really tried to. Blindsided, addicted. Thought we could really do this, but really I was foolish. Hindsight, it's obvious. Talking with my lawyer, she said, where'd you find this guy? I said, young people fall in love with the wrong people sometimes. Some mistakes get made, that's alright, that's okay. You can think that you're in love when you're really just in pain. Toss your dirty shoes in my washing machine. Heart, baby, bang it up inside. I'm not wearing my usual lipstick. I thought maybe we would kiss tonight. Baby, will you kiss me already? And toss your dirty shoes in my washing machine. Heart, baby, bang it up inside. I'm all chopped up, I can't talk. I've got a fucked up brain, fucked up thoughts. Thought I was okay, but then I guess not. Hope you know that this is your fault. Want you to feel bad when you go to sleep. Hope you're sad when you remember me. Hope you're feeling bad for all you did to me. And I hope you lie there in your misery. Hey, little girl, you never believe there's a ghost inside of you, but it's hidden too deep.
Some days you're the only thing I know. Only thing that's burning when the nights grow cold. Can't look away, can't look away. Beg you to stay, yeah. Sometimes you're a stranger in my bed. Don't know if you love me or you want me dead. Push me away, then beg me to stay, yeah. Call me in the morning to apologize. Every little lie gives me butterflies. Something in the way you're looking through my eyes. Don't know if I'm gonna make it out alive. Fight so dirty, but your love so sweet.
Play us like pawns and relentlessly confine into living up to gender roles and having absent minds. Don't you think it's funny how they tell us how to live? Don't you think it's funny how we're all delinquent kids? Like, hush now, don't say, don't say. Hush boy, don't say a word. Throw on a jersey, no one gets hurt. Hush girl, just bat your eyes. Play our little game,
I can't believe we're finally alone. I can't believe I almost went home. What are the chances? Everyone's dancing and he's not with you. The universe must have defined us. What am I gonna do? Not grab your wrist. I could be a better boyfriend than him. I could do the shit that he never did. Up all night, I won't quit thinking I'm gonna steal you from him. I could be such a gentleman. Plus all my clothes would fit.
My family always said I was the bad child, throwing me away into the bad bowl. All my life been putting on a fake smile. Sitting on my own, feel like I'm exiled. Feeling like I always do the wrong things. Telling all their friends that I'm the bad kid. Now I'm on my own, I lost my magic. Dealing with your bullshit, now I'm over it.
I kinda wanna put my phone across the room, 'cause all I see are girls too good to be true. paper white teeth and perfect bodies. Wish I didn't care. I know that beauty is not my life, but it feels like that blade is on my back, and I can't let it go. Cold comparison is killing me slowly. I think too much. Tell kids who don't know me. I'm so sick of